What's up guys, it's Isaac here with a 2019 Jeep Wrangler JL that Krietz Customs just got done lifting. We're going to go over the lift wheels and tires, so if you guys are interested in lifting your vehicle, you want to check out to see what we've done to this one. To get started on what we did to this vehicle, we're going to go over the lift kit, which is going to be a 2.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit. This lift kit doesn't have to be as tall as the JKs. It's only going to be a 2.5 instead of the 3.5 like we would with the JK. It's still going to be able to fit these 35-inch tires, which is going to be a 1250 R22 Nitto reverse grappler, which is a mix between an all-terrain and a mud-terrain tire. It's going to give you a nice aggressive look with the tread pattern that it has, as well as the sidewall. But it's also going to give you a nice quiet ride on the road and give you a nice long wear life. The wheel is going to be a 22x12 fuel stroke. This wheel is going to have that split spoke design with the candy red millings in between each of the spokes as well on the outside. This one's going to have a -44 offset with that deep dish look, so it's going to push that wheel out from the Jeep 3 to 4 inches and also give this wheel a nice big lift, being about 5 inches as well. So if you guys have any questions about lifting yours or about what we've done to this one, you can give us a call at 301-694-4642, or you can message us on Facebook at Krietz Customs. If you need any more inspiration about lifting your vehicle, you can check out other Jeeps that we've built at KrietzCustoms.com on our gallery.